Good morning to you all. CBSE has issued directions for art integrated projects for classes 1 to 10. Art integration is a cross-curricular pedagogical approach that utilizes various aspects and forms of art and culture as the basis for experiencing the learning of concept across subjects. As a part of the thrust on experiential learning, art integrated education will be embedded in classroom transactions not only for creating joyful classrooms but also for imbibing the Indian ethos through integration of Indian art and culture in the teaching and learning process at every level. This project is for class 1 to 10. As a part of this, one art integrated project in each subject shall be taken up by all students of classes 9th and 10th from academic session 2020-21, and the student from classes 1 to 8 will also be encouraged to take at least one integrated project, transdisciplinary project in a given academic year. This project work can include more than one subject and it can be considered for internal assessment of subject concerned. For classes 9th and 10th, student may take up the art integrated project as a subject enrichment activity in all subjects. For internal assessment, the project should be done by the student in groups with 4 to 5 students in each group. Art integrating learning will continue as a pedagogical tool for classes 1 to 12. In addition to art education under co-scholastic area. For Uttarakhand, the pairing state is Karnataka, and all activities in art integrated learning will be based on Karnataka. The suggested activities are based upon art activities. It includes visual art. In visual art, it has study of visual resources and means of creative expressions, study of lines, colors, etc., sketching from nature and surrounding, creating use of colors, study of calligraphics, etc., use of contrast as an expression element of art, study and use of various media and techniques, pencil, charcoal, watercolor, crayons, oil color, etc., collage and mosaic work, printing, computer graphics, etc. In three-dimensional figure, it has study of basic form in clay, study of various material, for example, clay, plaster of Paris, soft stone, wood, etc. Study of natural and man-made form, human figures, birds, animals, object of day-to-day use. In assignment, it has painting, murals, graphics, clay modeling, wood carrying, etc. In correlating art activities with other school activities, it has construction of puppets and their costumes, etc. Aesthetic organization of the physical environment by enhancing the surrounding area, constructing stage, setting props such as curtains, backdrops, stage lighting, improvised furniture, etc. Designing the school magazine, wall magazine, bulletin boards, making poster for school functions. In group activities, it has organization, display and exhibition of student, inter-school art exhibition, planning and organizing festivals and celebration of community and cultural evening, participating in study, visit to museum, botanical garden, etc. In theoretical understanding of art and culture, it has short notes on important aspect of Indian art and culture based upon social science, contribution made by anyone, contemporary artist, knowledge of terms, contrast, texture, graphics, form, etc. In performing art, music, vocal, it consists Sangeet, Nod, Swar, Subh, Komal, introduction of Indian music, national anthem, community singing, etc. All these activities are to be integrated with our subjects like music, art, social studies, mathematics, science, language, environmental studies, history, geography, computer application, home science, accountancy, BST, media, physics, chemistry, biology, etc. For this, we may see CBSE circular number ACAD 33/20 dated 14th May 2020. All teachers may go through this letter and may inform the student accordingly. Thanks.